how to add sticky add to cart button on Shopify. So that is what I'm going to show you guys in this super quick and easy tutorial. So let's get into it. So the first thing that we need to do is to open our Shopify right here and make sure that you are logged in into your account. So as you can see right here, we are now in this website. So what we need to do next is to go here on the online store. So click that in this part and make sure that you are in the themes page. And then what we're going to do here is to go on our website and then click the three dots right here and then click edit code. Once you click edit code, what we're going to do is to look for sections, which is right here. So just click that. And then what we're going to do here is to click add a new section. So click that. And then let's say for example, we're going to name this sticky add to cart right there. And then make sure that it is in liquid. So just click done. And then once you do that, you will be redirected right here. Now, what we're going to do next is to go here on this link. So this link will be in the description box. So just go down below and then copy it right here. Once you're now here, click this copy raw file. So click that. So once you copy that, let's go back on Shopify and then select everything and then paste what we have just copied. So once you do that, let's click save. So once you click save right there, what we need to do next is to go here on the three dots and then click customize theme. Now currently Shopify has an ongoing deal right now wherein you will only need to pay $1 for the first 3 months for the basic plan, grow plan, and the advanced plan. So if you want to avail that deal right now, all you have to do is to go down below the description box and of course the comment section and then just of course click the link that will be right there. So going back onto our topic, what we're going to do in this part is to just click the home page and then click the products. So make sure that you have already added your products right there. So just look for the products wherein you want to add the sticky add to cart. So just go here on the header and then click add section. What we're going to do is to type sticky add to cart. So click that. And then once you're now done, just click the save button. So once you click the save button right there, and if we look on our website, so let's take a look, just click this and then click view. And then once you're now here, and if we close this, hide this, and if we scroll down, as you can see, we now have added a sticky add to cart in our product. So that is basically it. Once again, that is how to add a sticky add to cart product in Shopify.